Kia ora everyone, I'm Mary Jo, Kiwi Bank Economist. So Stats NZ has a relatively new monthly employment indicator which uses income tax data to count the number of filled jobs in the economy in each month, and it was designed to provide more timely updates of the New Zealand labour market. Now, as you'd expect, the number of filled jobs fell quite dramatically during the month of April when the country was under level 4 lockdown. Now, since then, the labour market has been slowly recovering these job losses, and for the past 4 months, that employment indicator has recorded positive job growth. We are, however, yet to return to pre-COVID levels. There's no doubt that the wage subsidy scheme has really helped to cushion the labour market, and many have kept their employment because of it, but the brutal reality is that many businesses have failed, and many more may fail as the wage subsidy scheme unwinds. And in that case, job losses are expected to rise. Another factor weighing on future job growth is the fact that hiring intentions among employers remains weak. With such high uncertainty, it's understandably difficult to plan 6 to 12 months ahead. So the positive job growth we've witnessed in recent months may indeed ease back from here on out. So forget last quarter's labour market report when the unemployment rate supposedly fell. The unemployment rate is indeed set to track higher and potentially surpassing GFC highs. Now, the implications of a rise in unemployment on economic activity is a big concern. You see, spending and investment are needed to get through the recession and stimulate economic activity. But if there's any concern or doubt over future employment and earnings, households may instead rein in their spending. And this is actually a story that we've seen starting to develop in the US. Personal incomes have fallen back as what's their version of the wage subsidy scheme come to an end, and consumption growth has slowed down along with it. Weaker consumer spending because of weaker consumer confidence only slows down the overall economic recovery. And so that's definitely something to watch out for here in New Zealand in the coming months. Now, the wage subsidy scheme was an effective policy, and it was exactly what was needed to support business and households. But it's coming to an end, and it can't continue. It's not a sustainable policy. The focus for fiscal policy should now turn toward assisting those displaced workers and relocating them into different areas of the economy that are screaming out for workers, and get that productivity going. That's it for this weekly wrap. I'll talk to you in the next one.